Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Honey and sugar facial scrub. Well, I've noticed this thing is used for different purposes and all, and I want us to make it together and experience it all together at a go. And as we dive into that, please make sure that you do like this video, shares out there, and watch out for more videos by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. So first thing is first, make sure your hands are clean. Well, with clean hands you can actually touch your face. Remember, the face is always sensitive. The other thing you need is the ingredients. What you need is honey, definitely a bowl, maybe a teaspoon, and then sugar. Okay, yeah, we are going to be exfoliating, especially for someone like me who has been in the kitchen lately for so long. So I'm going to be using this particular bowl for activity. This is my teaspoon. Let's start off by putting some sugar. This is the one. I just poured it. So that is the sugar, the 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then this is my honey. Apparently I haven't had access to this thing for some time now, and when I went and looked for it, where I placed it, I was like, what the fuck, brother, couldn't you wait a little longer? And so another teaspoon. So I'll be telling you how it feels and all as the video continues, so make sure that you do watch to the very end. So that is my 1 teaspoon of honey. And so the next thing I mix, mostly I have realized some people are also adding in lemon, which it's not a must, especially if you have a sensitive skin. So in the meantime, I'm just going to add a drop of my drinking water, just like that, and then you see how it goes. I really hope the camera is taking this. I feel like I should. It smells more sugary. I feel like I should add just a lot of this because it wasn't kinda. My teaspoon wasn't full, so just a dot. And forgive me for that. For leaking. So remember, I'm showing you how to make it, how to apply it, and then we're going to discover how you feel and all. Does it really work? All those things. After mixing, how long should it stay on your face? So turn the nalo. I'm going to use my bare hands. Starting off, you're always told to always start off with the most affected areas of your face, but mostly it's mine, and it's normally the forehead. You have to do this for like 20 minutes to rub it on your skin for like 20 minutes.
Be gentle, massage it on your skin and feel really nice.
My sister had told me like to try and put not sugar, salt, because my face has had some breakouts lately. I don't know if I should add it here. Let me just go and get some salt and add it. I've started my countdown for the 20 minutes. So in the meantime, clear the table, blah blah blah. Dun 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 dun. giving the mirror kind of skin vibe. I have 2 minutes to go so that I can actually wash it off, and I'm going to wash it off with some warm water. Let me see. It's my phone. That's what I'm looking at. I guess this bottle, it's hiding it. You should actually also apply this thing onto your neck and all, but I'm not here for all that. For now, let's just focus on the face, but you're always told to apply mostly whatever you have onto your face. So the next thing we're about to do is I'm going to rinse it off with some warm water, and then yeah, I'll tell you the next step and then the next step when we need to go. Okay. And also we'll be knowing how many times you should use it. Like anytime. Damn, oh my goodness. Actually, it stated that you should do this once or twice in a week. This is the first day I've done it. For this week, I'll actually do it twice, and once I see the results more oftenly, I think I will reduce being more effective. That is what I'm trying to mean. I think I'm going to reduce the number of times that I am doing it. But let me tell you something. Oh, can you see my face? I love it, I love it, I love it. So basically what I've done is the warm water, I've also used my facial cleanser to clean it off, and then afterwards tapped with a towel to feel better to what, to dry it off. Oh my goodness, but I'm loving what I'm seeing. So a couple more times, one more time this week, and then we're going to be good. And so after doing all that, please make sure that you do like this video, shares out there, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on our next review. And then the other thing I'm going to do, if I was going out, you should use a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it for the sake of your skin and all. But now I'm just indoors, I'm just going to use my moisturizing cream. Yeah, and that's how easily you can exfoliate your skin using the honey and sugar scrub. So one more attempt this week and we are good to go. We'll see how it goes. Remember, we'll be doing more reviews and all for different products, so make sure that you click right here to tell me how it went. Make sure that you click right here to watch more of my videos, or you can just check in the description a link to more tutorials, to more beauty hacks and all. Let's catch up on the next one. I feel amazing. Oh my goodness, I feel amazing. Honestly, I feel like it's worth the effort. I'm looking for my lip gloss. Oh, it's over there. Exfoliate twice. This is once. It's actually been taken quite some time with exfoliating. Previously I was using another product that I should actually do a review, so I'll tell you how that went for me. And Let's catch up on the next update. Click right here to watch more of my videos. See you there.